The Fulani people.
Cái ta bảo đến nó miếng mồi tăng qua đằng qua đã gần ta bắt đại đàm mua gái nữa ở ai cả ý ở đó ai cái sút ta cùi đi gái
Good morning, everyone. Today, here we are in Natitingou and we are going to visit some tribes and some villages around. We're going to see Fulani, how they make cheese, how they milk the cow. So finally, we met a tour guide Suleiman. Sumaila, sorry. Yes. Suleiman is different. Okay, so you're going to take us today for the tour.
Yes.
What are we going to see?
To go to the Kampel
Kampel
and
Tatasumba. Kampel was the Fulani. Fulani people.
Oui.
Tatasumba
and Chute de Kota.
The Kota Falls.
And the village de Tanikakoko.
And the village of
Tanikakoko.
Tanikakoko. Okay, awesome. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes.
So here's the car. Okay, let's get in. Now, let's go. The first stop was just a short drive. So here we are going to visit the Fulani. Look at the beautiful nature around. It's amazing. Here, there's already some village. You can see here on this side some hut. And I can hear a little bit of drumming, some smoke. So let's explore.
Nestled in the rolling hills of northern Benin, near the town of Natitingou, lies a world rarely seen up close, a Fulani village, where traditions meet the rhythm of the land. Today, I was welcomed into their lives.
Merci.
Merci beaucoup.
The Fulani people are known for their nomadic roots, and here many have built semi-permanent homes made from mud, wood, and thatch. Houses are beautifully simple, yet full of soul. As I stepped into their homes, I was struck by the warmth, but not just in the air, also in their hospitality. Inside their round houses, the bed space is also made out of mud and small soft branches.
So what are they doing? They are pounding here. I shall. Okay. Okay, there is a. So what is this?
It is a meal.
Flour.
Rice.
Flour for the
Yes.
for the, and then they're gonna bake bread.
Thank you.
Oh,
Want to
okay.
drink.
She's very young.
Yeah.
It's a child,
Yes.
but they're very cute. Like the faces are.
Yes.
They have very distinct faces. Let the kids play with the camera. I'm going to explore the village. Wait. Come.
I was taken to a cattle farm, and the cattle is more than livestock. For the Fulani people, They are family, wealth, pride, and history. Each animal is known, cared for, and plays a role in daily life. I was invited to see what that really means.
They have a lot of cattle. Look, this big herd. And then also this field, they are planting something there. Look at the cattle. Like, I don't know if I'm more scared or they, but this one is coming to me. Like the Fulani people, okay. The Fulani people are very famous for their cheese. So that's why they need these cows. They milk them and then they produce the cheese. We will also have a look at that. Finally, I guess we can try. He called me here. Let's see this one, brown one.
Milking a cow might seem simple, but there is an art to it. Under the watchful eyes of my generous host, I learned how to extract milk the Fulani way. And yes, it is harder than it looks. After several attempts, I later got a chance to extract little milk.
Let me see. Now? Yes, now it's a little bit more. But
Awai ta. Iya? Oh, dah saya itu sudah kuliah kan. Cái ta balin tao miếng mồi tao qua đằng qua đã. Còn tao đã hay đằng mua cái. Qua đậm nào nó.
Belu apa?
Ai em na piti cho na sao vậy rồi.
Belu apa?
Yo hao.
Belu apa?
Mà đi này.
Thôi chứ hơi nằm.
Ai tan.
Ini yang
Ta
kaya tak?
Rồi. Ăn bài bài. Thu.
Apa nak lah orang tu betul.
Gái qua là gái hiện như hàng.
With the fresh milk, we began the sacred process of cheese making. Every step is done by hand, passed down through generations. There are no machines. Instead, it's just fire, time, and deep knowledge of nature. I pounded a tree branch until it got soft. I added it to the fresh milk and later poured the milk into a boiling pot of other milk.
Aisa. Me, I'm Dude. So you're going to show me. We'll cook together now. Okay. I like your face. Is really beautiful. She has a very. Look at the lips, the tiny mouth, the beautiful eyes. This? Like this?
Yes.
Like wash it. And I pour.
Yes.
Okay. It's this is eh? Okay, let me help you. So we're doing something Dunka. Ah, the flower. Dunka.
Go.
Uh-huh.
Go.
Okay. Clean it. Let's clean it.
Go.
Mm-hmm. With this. Okay, we crush this. What is it? The stick? Let me see. What is it?
What?
More? So
Yes.
more or is good?
Yes. Good.
More, more. It's for making the flavor. I wash my hands. Okay, merci.
Malax.
This
Yes.
I mix it.
Yes. You
Just mix it.
four.
With
Voilà, voilà.
I press it so
Yes.
it goes into the flavor goes into the milk. So we use this, we crush this tree branch and we use this to squeeze it and like the flavor enters the milk and then we'll mix it with the rest. Is it enough or more? More. Can I try? Try. Me, I want to
Yeah,
try. Can I just try it with my hands?
You.
Oh, okay, okay. Like we usually when we use seasoning, we just get some extract. Okay, thank you. Where do I put this?
After hours of careful work, the reward, soft, fresh Fulani cheese, rich in flavor and even richer in meaning. It's more than food. It's a reflection
okay,
of a
so
way
now it's
of
finished.
life that respects
And we
land,
put it-
livestock and legacy.
All of it.
No, prends tout, tout.
All. Oh, okay, okay, okay. They have really nice dishes. Like this pot is really good. They have this to filter. Look, even the big spoon. Is also this or shall I take the whole pot?
Ah, c'est chaud.
It's hot.
Yes.
Yeah. She came to compliment on my cheese.
Yeah.
Nice. You remember I was teaching you to talk my language. You remember?
Nange.
Nange. In my language? Slunichko. Slunichko.
Prends ça, là.
So you like my cheese? Now I can marry. Now I can get married when I know how to do cheese. Let me try my cheese. It's good. Try it. Did she put sugar? Yeah. Okay, because it's sweet. So she was putting some sugar and some other flavor? Which one? What did she add? She add sugar?
No.
No.
As the sun dipped behind the hills of Atakora, I left the Fulani village with more than just cheese. I left with stories, smiles, and deep respect for a community that continues to thrive through the tradition and resilience. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more cultural journeys.